Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start with 30 hours of core study over 3 months to learn fundamentals. Begin by understanding assets, liabilities, and equity, and how transactions change each account. Master double-entry bookkeeping, debits and credits, and the accounting equation. Work problems by hand to see how journal entries affect ledgers, then move data into a spreadsheet. Use a simple ledger, a spreadsheet, and practice 50 transactions weekly. Schedule review weeks and short cumulative quizzes to reinforce retention and prevent foundational gaps before moving to financial statements. Learn to prepare balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements so you can translate ledgers into management information. Practice completing trial balances and adjusting entries for accruals, prepaid expenses, and depreciation. Recognize taxable forms like Form 1099 and thresholds such as 00 and 5000 gifts when working with contractors and non-employee payments. Practice journal entries for sales, purchases, payroll, and depreciation calculations to close books monthly. Regularly reconcile bank statements and vendor accounts to catch errors and ensure accurate statements. Use accounting software like QuickBooks and spreadsheets with trial balances to speed tasks and reduce manual errors. Learn shortcuts and chart of account structure. Build dashboards that calculate ratios and KPIs so decisions are data-driven. Track liquidity and profitability ratios such as current ratio and 25% gross margin examples to evaluate business health. Learn tax basics and internal controls. Then practice audits and reconciliations. Aim for certifications. 6 months for bookkeeping, 18 months for CPA study timelines, and continually apply skills on real company datasets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.